how to fix the TikTok error that says, sorry, looks like you're not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. So TikTok not eligible error means that TikTok thinks that you're under 13, even if you aren't. So here's how you can fix it. Sometimes the incorrect birthday entry, device age setting, or saved underage record or app glitch can cause this problem. So first of all, go ahead and clear the app data. For that, tap and hold onto this application, tap on the eye icon in the top, scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. You can also try disabling this application, or if you're using iPhone, simply upload the app and then reinstall it again. After this, sign in with your TikTok account with your birth date, which is 18 plus. And if it still does not support, go ahead and contact the TikTok. For that, you need to go ahead and click on your profile, then tap on the three dots in the top right, then go to settings and privacy. From here, scroll all the way down and go to report a problem. Then tap on account and profile, tap on manage account or editing profile. Then after, tap on other. This will take you to this kind of interface. Tap on no, tap on need more help. And now a chat or a conversation page will open. Simply go ahead and explain your issue, like age-related access problem, write incorrect birth date entered, so I'm over 13, please help. TikTok will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours or 1 to 2 days and resolve the problem. So avoid repeated incorrect ages. Use different email, phone number, or device if flagged. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.